Hi guys, doing a little more practicing. Let's do this song. You're welcome to dance on this one. This is the one I wrote. That's the sound of a waltz. That's the sound of a waltz. It's the most magical sound. Cowboy boots on that old dance floor, people twirling around. That's the sound of a waltz. It's not heard that much anymore, as those cowboy boots slide across that floor. That's the sound of a waltz. It's an empty room with a floor of wood, simple and rustic and old. Nothing special about that place. The many stories are told, but something happens on Saturday night. It's magic and wonder appear when the doors open up and the people rush in. It all becomes perfectly clear. That's the sound of a waltz. It's the most magical sound. Cowboy boots on that old dance floor, people twirling around. That's the sound of a waltz. It's not heard that much anymore, as those cowboy boots slide across that floor. Well, that's the sound of a waltz. Now the room is filling up to the brim. There's no other place to sit. People are dancing their favorite songs. The band doesn't know when to quit. There's laughter and talking and joy in the air, but that's not the sound I prefer. It's those cowboy boots on that old dance floor that brings a smile, that's for sure. That's the sound of a waltz. It's the most magical sound. Cowboy boots on that old dance floor, people twirling around. That's the sound of a waltz. Not heard that much anymore, as those cowboy boots slide across that floor. Well, that's the sound of a waltz, as those cowboy boots slide across that floor. That's the sound of a waltz. Till I see you again. Bye-bye.